everyone, my name's Dave. I'm gonna show you how to make some amazing Korean barbecue short ribs. We're gonna start with the marinade, with the soy sauce and the white vinegar, and that's what's gonna help penetrate this flavor into the meat. Some water, sesame oil, pepper, sugar, and brown sugar, some minced garlic, and chopped up onions as well. We're gonna stir this all together. Now we're gonna take these beef short ribs and get them in there, get them soaking. I would suggest doing these overnight. I'm gonna do them real quick today and do them for just an hour. Okay, the beef short ribs are marinating right now in the fridge. The grill's getting warmed up. We're gonna do the broccoli prep. We're gonna take olive oil, Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, some honey, ketchup, kosher salt, coarse pepper, red chili pepper flakes, and some minced garlic. We're gonna mix this all up here real quick. Now we're gonna dump in the broccoli. Okay, now we've rested these in the marinade for a little over an hour. Again, go for a full day on that. Don't just do an hour. But they smell amazing. It's already soaked in really nice. We're gonna lay these out on the grill. It'll probably be about 5 to 7 minutes each side. We're gonna throw the broccoli out on the plancha too. Let this cook up here at the same time. In about 15 minutes or less, we'll be plating and eating. They smell amazing. Okay, the short ribs are ready. We're gonna take them off, set them right here to rest a little. They smell amazing, they look great. We're just gonna give them a little time to rest. Okay, we plated the broccoli up here. I tried not to eat it all as I plated it. This smells amazing, so we're gonna plate these short ribs. I'm gonna garnish a little shredded parmesan on the broccoli, a little red pepper on there as well, and some nice green onion over the short ribs. Need to taste this right away. The broccoli I've been eating, so good. Just fired on the grill, tastes so good. I could use a fork for the beef short ribs, but I'm just going in. Oh my goodness. The marinade on that. The rich flavor of short ribs. I love them. It's one of my all-time favorites. So good. Such a great, quick way to be able to cook and enjoy short ribs. I can't stop eating them. Outstanding. You guys have to try this. I had so much fun doing this cook. Thanks for watching. Again, I'm Dave. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you want to see cooked next. I'd be happy to do it. Have a great day, and remember, spread love through barbecue.